in The Prince by Machiavelli, on chapter 17, one does not read that it is better to be feared than loved. Instead, it says that it is best to be both loved and feared. However, Machiavelli advises that when this ideal is not possible, such as when gratitude dissolves during threats to survival, he suggests that fear is a more reliable way to inspire discipline than bonds of love. But why should we, makers and thinkers, take any of this into consideration? With the rise of the internet and of social media came a new wave of social interactions between artists and the world. Artists now have to expose themselves in ways never experienced before. And with that exposure, we enter the dynamics of social circles. And for that, we need to make sure we know how to use our emotional and political intelligences. In a previous talk, I spoke about how the fear of judgment relates to the need to survive in society. As throughout evolution, our ancestors learned that positive evaluation by others meant a higher chance of survival. But now I'm talking about the need to stay assertive of your convictions as an artist. The key here is not to instill senseless fear, but respect. Respect is what every serious artist must seek, as being respected means being treated with high or special regard and esteem by others, which happens when you truly admire someone who is indeed good, valuable, and important. So the word admiration is key. How can I earn the respect and admiration of my audience and fellow artists? The only truthful answer is by doing the work necessary. There are no shortcuts. You must identify role models and learn from them. You must put in the thousands of hours towards bettering your skills, and you must produce great volumes of work that speak your truth. And you must identify an audience who values and appreciates what you do. Then you must exhibit over and over, defending your position, expanding your voice each day with more meaning and power. That is precisely how you earn both love and respect in the art world. Go do it.